Foundation repair in San Antonio is tricky business, and knowing the right stuff can save you a ton of headache and money. So, first off, always check if the company you're dealing with has an engineer's report that certifies their work. That's super important because Texas foundation repair isn't regulated, meaning anyone can claim to be a pro. Next, watch out for signs your foundation might be acting up against stuff like doors and windows that won't close right or diagonal cracks around them. Also, don't forget about plumbing issues. Broken drain lines often go hand in hand with foundation problems. If repairs were done recently, make sure they fix these secondary issues too. When you spot cracks big enough to fit a quarter or plumbing backups, don't wait around, call a structural engineer as soon as possible. And if you're buying or selling a home, get a thorough inspection focused on foundation health to avoid surprises. Lastly, remember that even good repairs don't mean the problem won't come back, since the soil and conditions don't change overnight. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair in San Antonio is hiring fly-by-night companies without certifications or warranties. Always go for a company that backs their work with an engineer's report. Another common issue is ignoring the secondary damage like cracked drain lines or misaligned doors after the repair. That stuff can cause bigger problems if left untreated. Finally, many folks overlook ongoing maintenance after repairs, thinking the problem is totally fixed. In reality, keeping an eye on your home for early signs of foundation stress can help catch issues early and save you cash. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver when it comes to finding trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff about foundation, repair, and more. Plus, for contractors looking to get solid work from homeowners, it's a great platform to connect and grow their business without all the hassle.